Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the hue of your XIAOMI Smart L1 projector. To do it, click on the settings button on your remote, then go to, sorry, not all settings, let's go back a moment, go to picture. That's what you should go to, and then go to hue. Now you can adjust the hue by going left or right with the left or right buttons, and you'll see how the hue changes, although I don't really think it'll change on the main page of YouTube, but if I were within some video, then it would probably change. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.